So when you're looking for boxes for Amazon FBA, the heavy duty, you can get those, but they're pricey. I'm at Home Depot, 11 by 11 by 17. You got the small one, same thing, but not heavy duty. Let me show you down here. The large right here, 27 by 15 by 16. This is actually too big because your box can't be more than 25 inches. So let me show you. This is the size box I get, 15 by 16 by 21, but it's heavy duty, and I don't want heavy duty. Same size box, 15 by 16 by 21, but medium, not heavy duty. This is the one that I get. Right there. $2 a box. This is the one that I use and that I get all the time here at Home Depot.